Umasipala wesixeko saseGoli uthathe inyathelo elinesinqi lokuxhasa impilo yabasetyhini. Ngentsasa namhlanje, ilungu lekomiti ejongene nezempilo nophuhliso lwentlalo u-Annie Makhafula wothule ngokusesikweni iphulo lokubonelela ngemiqamelo yabantu basetyhini kwiziko lempilo lase-Bophelong eDoornkop. Le nkqubo iza kwenza iitawuli zangasese zamabhinqa zibe simahla kuzo zonke iikliniki zesixeko zikawonke-wonke ngenjongo yokunciphisa uxinzelelo lwezemali kunye nokukhuthaza impilo yokuxesheni.
Kube usuku oluyingqophamlando njengoba uMnyango Wezempilo eGoli uthathe igxathu lokwethula ngokusemthethweni uhlelo lokunikezela ngemicamelo yabesifazane ezotholakala njalo ngenyanga emitholampilo kanjalo nasezikoleni njengoba kwenziwa kwijazi lomkhwenyana. Mbukeli, ngaphambi kokuthi ngigeqe amagula, ilungu lesigungu esiphezulu kuMkhandlu Dolobha weGoli oku-MMC Annie Makhafula unaba kabanzi ngalolu hlelo.
As a young woman who had grown up in villages, I know how important it is to ensure that you have a sanitary towels. It's very important. It wipes away the dignity of a young black child. We ought to, as a government, never ever compromise the health of a young girl. They are our future leaders of tomorrow. We need to protect them at all times. We must do away with period poverty. We must do away with the young black child using or losing school days because they are on their periods. We must ensure that at all times they are able to attend school without any failure. So as the Department of Health, we ensured that today is the day where we are launching. In all our clinics, young girls will be receiving all these free sanitary towels.
Ubese balula inhlosonqangi yalolu hlelo ebalula nabazohlomula kulolu hlelo okwamantombazanyana amancane aneminyaka elinganiselwa kweyi10 kuya kweyi18 ubudala.
I'm launching this as a history. It's a history because in the whole country in South Africa, there is not even one single municipality that is actually distributing the sanitary towels. We are the first, and I'm proud to announce that we are the first people to actually launch such an initiative. Not only are we calling on other municipalities as well as government peers, whether it's national or provincial, they must also follow suits and also ensure that a life of a young black child is also protected. They're given the dignity that they deserve and the respect that they deserve in the society.
Ubese chaza kabanzi ngokuthi luzosebenza kanjani lolu hlelo eluleka amantombazanyana asemancane ukuba vakashela imitholampilo eseduze nayo baphathe izitifiketi zokuzalwa okanye omazisi babazali babo. Kana ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseDoornkop.